Welcome to Shakti Group of Companies, manufacturer and exporter of telecommunication equipment and optical fiber cable accessories. We are an ISO 9001-2008 certified company, established in the year 1990. Our strict quality management make us stand apart from all brands. Trained workforce, maximum client satisfaction and customization of products are the factors that help us to stay ahead of our competitors. We offer a diverse range of optical fiber cable joint closures, digital distribution frames, and modules. Our company specializes in offering optical fiber cable joint closures, fiber distribution management cabinets offered by us are widely acclaimed in the market. We present a unique range of rack-mountable fiber distribution management cabinets. We bring forth a wide range of FDMS racks, ODF, for individual and ribbon fiber cables. Along with that, we offer digital distribution frames and modules that are cost-effective. Explore our exclusive collection at www.shaktigroupindia.net.